I would like to show you a website called htmlreference.ai. So to complete this series, I would like to show you a website called htmlreference.io. htmlreference.io is a website containing a list of all HTML elements. As you can see, currently 113 different HTML elements exist. From here you can see where to put them, so if it's an experimental HTML tag, you should be careful about using it because not all browsers will support it at the moment, and maybe they never will. Meta is something for the head tag. Self-closing is like the img tag we used earlier. It will close automatically, so you don't have to write both a start tag and closing tag yourself. The inline HTML elements there are two types of HTML elements. There are inline and block elements. Inline elements will show up inline, so if you're writing a line of text and one of the words should be bold, for instance, the B tag is inline, so it will not create a line break itself. Block will always start on a new line, so it will jump down to the first free space and continue from there. These tick boxes can be used to sort out the list, so you will only see what you are actually looking for. There are a few collections up here. Base elements, which is the most basic elements of HTML. You will see the HTML, the head tag, and the body tag. And the link tag, which we'll have a look at when we are talking CSS. The meta tag, as we talked about earlier, and the script tag, which is not relevant for now. So you can use this as reference whenever you need something in HTML. For instance, we talked about the image tag. So you can go down here, find img. You can see it's self-closing, so you don't have to create a start tag and closing tag. It will do that for you. And it's inline, so if you create an image, it will be on the same line as the text and will not do a line break on its own. So if we open the image tag, we can see the different attributes used. So for instance, the source attributes, which tells the browser where to find the image, and the alt attributes, which will tell the browser what to write if the image can't be found. So you can always use this website if you're in doubt about any HTML tags and the attributes. You should be able to find it here. That completes this little series about how to getting started with HTML. In the next videos, we will have a look at CSS and how to style the different HTML elements.